Things dey happen for Nigeria o. Dem don kidnap 15 people from Gwarakwa Tafa, Niger State along Kaduna-Abuja Expressway. And dem talk say for this place, dem don dey kidnap people and sometimes dem kill people for the process of this kidnap o, still dey find ransom to collect from them. Now the residents of that area don dey vex. Everybody dey para. Now dem don dey protest o. Dem don go major road, block the road, say anybody wey dey pass no go pass. Dem block the road, whether e dey come from Kaduna o, whether they come from Abuja o, wherever they come from, road block. Then set tire, put fire for road, make people no pass. My people, make una watch this video.
Okay, good morning, Nigerians. This is Tafa local government area of Niger State at Garaka along Kaduna Road, Abuja Expressway. Now, for some few days now, they've been kidnapping going around this place. This is where I actually stay, and they kill people even in the process, demanding for a huge amount of money. So yesterday night, so this morning, it's worse. They kidnapped like 15 people, and they're even killing people.
Kaduna road blocked. No going, no coming. Oh wow.
Abi una don see wetin I dey talk. But these people dem get sense at all. E sure say their number 6 dey work, because I no understand why dem kidnap 15 people una go block road. The people una dey block road from, na dem cause the issue. Na dem kidnap the 15 people. This one fit be innocent people wey dey pass, just dey go their own. Dem just block road, say make nobody pass. Na that one go stop the kidnap. Na that one go stop wetin dey happen for the place. I no understand how some people dey reason o. Why dem no go government house go do this protest? At least we go know say yes, dem dey government house. The government people dem go see them. Which kind protest be that one? Abeg, I'm not against protest o, but the thing, abeg, I know this one no jail. E no jail at all. Or dem fit even go airport go do this protest. At least all these government people wey go do all the adjustments, na there dem dey pass run comot from the country. If dem go there, at least if dem see one governor see this one, dem block road, I go know say that one na protest. At least dem dey protest give person dey see the effect of the protest. No be to block road wey even governors, all these people dem no dey pass. Everybody na plane dem dey use. People go roadside go block am. Like imagine now. Make dem go airport, block them for there. By the time dem block them there, nobody go tell them. If dem see say go no go, or dem miss their flight, or their private jets no go fit move, dem go use road. See wetin we dey see for the road. Like I no understand. Abi dem say no pay ransom when dem kidnap people. Wetin government dey do concerning these 15 people now wey dem don kidnap? Wetin government dey do? Na my own question. President, everybody quiet, like say dem use super glue gum their mouth. Dem no go fit talk concerning anything. Kidnap cases increasing for Nigeria day by day. Dem no still dey shake. They shake it not because dem dey White House, dem dey Green House, dem dey Orange House where nothing dey happen. Ancient of days protect them, so dem no dey fear. People wey ancient of days no dey protect, na dem their side dey suffer for Nigeria. Me, I no come understand wetin dey happen. The insecurities for Nigeria don dey rise. In fact, no be don dey rise, e don rise, dey overflow, dey pour from GP tank like that, dey comot o. This Nigeria, I don tire for the whole thing wey dey happen for this country. Finally, last, this country needs emergency shutdown. Make dem just announce say dem don dey shut down the country. Make everybody just rest, because this kind kidnap case, I don tire for the things wey dey happen o. Finally, this wey dey protest, dem dey make noise. Na noise dem dey make. Before if dem hear gun kpakpakpa, everybody go run comot. Abi na wetin happen for when dem be dey do this protest for waiting. Una see wetin happen. No be gun dem use end the protest. So these people, their own protest no even shake. E make it no noise, because I no understand the thing wey dem dey do. So make dem go house, go relax. Some people wey dey there now, wey dey set their life for this protest, even their brother, their sister, dem no kidnap them o. Dem still dey house. Dem just come out to do busybody. Abeg, me, I don talk my own o. For people wey support the protest, support. Me, I don talk my own. I don talk wetin dey my mind. Whether una like wetin I talk o, whether una no like wetin I talk, I don talk my own. Make the people go house, go relax, because this protest no get head and tail. So my people, if una get anything to comment concerning this matter, make una put am for the comment section. Una go get una reply ASAP for this channel. Make una do well to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.